Outcome Level 2, Learning Outcomes. Several data collection instruments have been designed to measure the effectiveness of outcomes and objectives in the learning level in the context of knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Data and information gathered at this level will be used to evaluate the impact of the training program on how participant knowledge and skills have improved as a result of the training. Throughout the training session, participants will be paired with learning partners with whom they will participate in guided activities during the training workshop. Near the beginning of the course, participants will be asked to complete a learning partner agreement, which will be shared with the course training facilitator, who will follow up to ensure that the agreement is submitted. Participants will be given a brief overview of some of the communication skills that will help them to establish and maintain productive learning partnerships. Learning partners will help each other to learn key concepts and will also serve as a resource during the semester. Throughout the training course, participants will complete learning partner activities in which they will be asked to complete specific tasks and training modules. Training participants will be asked to complete the forms and that ask them to reflect on what they have learned in the training program. My Learning Contract asks participants to consider their learning goals, learning activities and resources, learning achievements, and abilities. My Learning Diary asks participants to keep a diary to help them with their learning. They are asked to write each goal from their learning contract and reflect on their programs by answering questions. These documents are intended to be living documents in the sense that they may return to and revise and add comments throughout their learning experience. During the training session, the course training facilitator will lead a check-in discussion designed to help learners process what they are learning and share their thoughts and ideas to deliver specific course content. Learning participants will view a prepared video demonstrating instructor delivery of a learning lesson. At the conclusion of the video, learners will be asked, what did the instructor do well? What gets in the way? What are the challenges the instructor faces? The training facilitator will offer prompts or comments during the discussion to reinforce correct responses and/or to redirect incorrect responses. These discussions will be framed by a variety of Level 2 and Level 3 type questions. As a Level 2 activity, learners will be asked to apply the basic knowledge they have learned in the course. As a Level 3 evaluation activity, learners will consider their instruction in the real-life classroom and begin to see how they can apply these skills they are learning in their own classroom. These activities are designed to be available as on-demand, just-in-time learning modules. These online discussion forums are intended to be an interactive forum for all participants to share thoughts, ideas, and best practices. These forums will be monitored by the Office of Undergraduate Education, following prompts in the facilitator guide. These discussions will be monitored and facilitators will offer guidance as needed. These will also be part of a shared community of learners and may be used to create a frequently asked questions forum.